I mean, I say, hear me now. This is a soul fire production. Soul fire production. Soul fire production.
Welcome back to Night's Kitchen, viewers and subscribers. So today in Night's Kitchen, we're going to be making barbecue chicken. So I'm just going to show you how to make a barbecue chicken. This is where I make my barbecue chicken. Okay, there's lots of ways people do it, but this is the way I do it. So I'm just going to share it with you guys out there. Okay, so what I've got here is my chicken. It's already clean, as you can see. Well clean, washed, okay? All the water drained from it. And I'm going to season up with paprika and all-purpose, okay? So I'm just going to add a bit of all-purpose over it. And paprika. Once that is done, guys, I just mix that nicely so that the seasoning spread evenly. Add a little bit more paprika to it. Once you add seasoning to anything, guys, you just always give it a stir so it spread evenly. Give it that consistent taste. So you don't eat one piece of meat and it tastes different from the next. There you go, guys. So what I'm going to be doing now is just leave that for another few to let it marinate. Okay? And then I'm going to make the sauce while that is going on, and I'll show you how to prepare the sauce as well. Yes, guys, so chicken, as I said before, seasoned. What I've got here is some plain flour in a bowl. And I'm just going to show you what, and I've got 2 eggs, but I'm going to be using 2 eggs, just the egg white. So if you just boil the bottom of each side of the egg, and then just flash out the white. Whoa, bit of the work getting it, but it's still fine. So just the egg white. In this case, I'm using 2 eggs. After you've done that, guys, just stir. Just mix it in nicely. This will create a batter. And let the chicken come out nice and flaky, guys. We're going to fry it first before we add the sauce. It's like a fried barbie. Fried barbecue. And what I've got here, guys, is my oil. Fry my chicken in my Dutch pot. Okay, real Dutch pot. Wash my hands. Then I'm going to show you a seasoning. Put a bit of seasoning in the flour. All I'll be adding to the flour, guys, is just some all-purpose seasoning. Don't want any. About a teaspoonful of it. Or you can season to your liking. And then you just mix it. What I'll be adding to, I'll add a bit of paprika. You can also add a bit of paprika and just give it a nice stir. Mix that in nicely. So guys, we're ready to go to start frying the chicken. Let me just get rid of this. Yes, guys, so I'm going to put the first batch of chicken in the pot now, okay? The chicken, all I've got here today is chicken leg or drumstick, as people call them. So, few tips when you're doing this. Just hold the chicken like that, the drumstick, and just squeeze the ear out, okay? That way your chicken come out nice, in a nice shape. And then I'm going to dip it in the flour. And again, once you dip it in the flour, just basically loosen the ear. So what that does is loosen the ear of the chicken. And you see what I'm talking about. It come out nice looking, skin on, everything. And again guys, I'm doing this with the skin on, not off. And then I'm just going to put that straight down into my oil. As you can see, the oil is really hot. Dip the chicken, squeeze the ear. Just hold it by the nook or the feet or whatever they call it. And squeeze the ear out. You want a lot of flour and it, just always kind of get off as much flour as you can. I'll put 2 in here now, then I'm going to leave it at that. Just wash my hands quickly. Guys, so chicken in the pot. And what you don't do, just cover it for a few minutes. Just give it like 2 minutes or 3 minutes, cover it. And then you remove the cover after, and then give the chicken a nice stir so it move around in the pot nicely. But once you put the chicken in there, don't go straight away and start stir it. Because you want the flour to stick straight to the chicken. So after a few minutes, I'll be just turning it in the pot. Okay? Yes guys, so I stayed there for about 3-4 minutes. So now I'm just going to give it a quick nice little stir. I could have put more in there, there's lots of space in, but I'm not putting too much. I'm just going to do it in 2 portions. Yes guys, so my fried chicken, the chicken is it's almost there now. Probably another 5-6 minutes. So I'm going to start preparing the sauce. So what I've got here is barbecue sauce. And then I'm just going to add it to this bowl. It's not a lot of barbecue sauce in this thing, so I'm just using it half. And then, I'm going to add a bit of tomato sauce to it, or tomato ketchup, or ketchup, as we call it in Jamaica. And I'm going to add a little bit of vinegar. And I'm also going to add about a teaspoonful of sugar. And what I'm going to be doing is just mix that nicely, just mix it in. Okay. So yes guys, so as you can see, the chicken is ready. They're all floating, that means they're ready. So I'm just gonna remove it and just stick it on a plate with a bit of kitchen towel so they can drain for a few minutes or a minute. Not gonna drain it too long because I don't want the chicken to go cold. I want to do the chicken, sauce it while it's hot. So there you go. That's the fried chicken, the first portion. Okay? I'm just gonna show you, I'm gonna sauce it now. So guys, I've got my sauce here. I've got the chicken here. The chicken is, as I said, I don't want to do it too cold, so I'm doing it hot. And then I went go straight into the sauce. Okay, and just give it a swirl around in the sauce. And what I've also got here is a brush. So I can always brush some more sauce all over it. Give it a swirl, and then I'm gonna stick it right there on the plate, on a tray. And I'm using a tongue. So you can get better. It's easier to just sauce up the chicken. You can always just drain it so you have any excess sauce will be removed. Again, another piece. Because I'm doing it hot, guys, the sauce just stick to the chicken. If you notice, I'm not making my hands touch it at all. Straight onto the tray. Straight into the sauce. Just kind of move it around so the sauce get everywhere. That's your fried barbie there. There you go, guys. Barbecue. Okay. And then while that is there, I'm gonna put another set in the pot. So just move these out the way. Put them somewhere out the way. So guys, we repeat the process again. Chicken has been sat there for a while. Give it a stir, move around, mix it around again. As we say in Jamaica, we sweeten it up. Still have my oil there well hot, my flour. Gonna do 2 bits at a time now. Please remember, squeeze out the air. See how those chicken come out nice looking. Straight in the flour. Put another 2. Try to get off as much flour as possible as well, guys. Off the chicken. You just need it just to basically dust. Guys, when you're putting stuff in oil and it's hot, don't just go and drop it in there. Just take your time so you don't splash and burn yourself. So that's the second portion, guys. And as I said, you finish, you wash your hands. Yes, viewers and subscribers. So, there you go. That's the finishing product of my barbecue chicken. Okay? Looking great. So yes, guys. So don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share, and hit the notification button. And as I said, guys, leave a comment. Anything you wish for me to prepare, any meal, just let me know. Leave a comment in the comment section, you know. And thanks to everyone who have subscribed so far. And if you can't cook it, night it.